So, did we have a great product? Yes, we did. Did we have good people? Yes, we did. Did we have really strong experience? Yes, we did. But we wanted to go further. We wanted the building that would pull all of that together and enable us to build a better, stronger product and provide a greater level of service to our customers, which is why we built Artemis House. Proserv has 50 years of history in controls.
The business started in controls with Briscoe Engineering, CAC, with Autocom as well. So there's a great history there of brands and trades that we worked with both surface and subsea controls. We now have this purpose-built facility in Artemis House where we can build subsea control systems with all of the equipment and personnel and skills all under one roof.
We developed the technology. We took what we were doing on the top side and we submarinized that so that we were able to offer that kind of quality and that kind of solution in a subsea environment.
One of our big differentiators is the fact that our engineering is all done in-house. We have the ability and the intimate knowledge to know all of the parts of the SCM, and then anything that needs a small change, it's quite easy for us to achieve. The beauty of mechanics is that it goes unnoticed, and I think with our track record and the fact that we've got systems that have been down there for 30 years, we can say we've achieved that.
Proserv offer a subsea control system which is unrivaled. Proserv are a control system specialist. We're not a generalist. That means that we're agnostic to all of these other infrastructures which sit there on the seabed. We have a system that concentrates on our reliability, ensuring that we're not obsolescence, having a great flexibility so that we can use all sorts of different systems, not only which have been provided previously by Proserv, but also those by other OEMs. And we also offer that as a fully supported system in the future. We always support our systems with that compatibility.
Our track record in SCMs, we've delivered approximately 300 over the last 30 or so years, and from industry analysis and third-party investigation, we've essentially been deemed the most reliable subsea control system.
When we test our subsea electronics modules, we do quite harsh testing on them. We are actually punishing our subsea electronics modules to ensure that it's having worse time while we're testing it and to make sure that we don't pick up any failures at these conditions. When it actually gets fitted into our subsea control module and on service, it's having a lot better over time because it's functioning the way it should be. So it's at a more constant temperature, oxygen-free, and it's more steady. The tests we carry out on our subsea electronics module gives us and our clients the confidence of the best reliability of our product.
We think that the operators and the owners of our system have a right to access their data. We are always there to make sure that you can see your data in a clear, concise way, but also to give you access to that raw data should you choose to analyse it yourself. Our monitoring is all real time, which allows for us to predict rather than simply look back over failures.
What this means is early intervention, potentially without production loss.
We go further than simply integrating a system. We take it to the next level by adding in our expertise.
As a control specialist, we offer a high level of flexibility to our clients. We enable them to work with what is now the Proserv's the most reliable system you can get out there in the business. So we can go further than just looking at a control system that's doing basic monitoring. At Proserv, we've had 30 years now of working with subsea control systems. We're now looking at the transition of our energy from oil and gas into other areas like renewables.
So Artemis House is our subsea centre of excellence that shows how serious we are. And it's this type of facility that enables us to build and test our product to the highest standards and ensures that when it leaves this facility, that it performs to the level that our clients need out in the field. And that level of reliability is what we're known for. So it's this facility and our daily focus on quality that leads to the levels of reliability that we see out in the field.